better. Yeah, you better. Yeah, you better. Yeah, you better. Yeah, you better.
So it's my birthday and it's very rainy, and yeah, I'm heading over to Knox because I'm just gonna get something. So yeah, here it is, raining. And I forgot my vlogging tripod. I have two vlogging tripods. I forgot to bring it today. Just back to being a noob right now, and I'm heading over to shops, and I'm hurrying because it's around 4. I mean, it's around 5, and it closes at around 7. So I just spent my birthday just staying at home because everything's so gloomy. And I'll just say hi guys, how are you going? Yeah, I'm gonna be a noob.
The limit is 60 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, I know, I'm over speeding. I'm a noob right now. I'm back to being a noob, and yeah, this is gonna be one crappy thing. Also, I can't see anything on my camera because I'm not using the one with the flip screen. Using the A1 right now, but okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, gonna grind now. So it's gonna be like a progression right now because I'm trying to relearn everything. I don't know if I'm in the right. I really can't see anything. That's a good thing also. I don't have to look into the side or the screen of the camera. I need to drive. Yeah, that car looks nice. Okay, I'm parked here safe now, and I just passed by a car there with a police car behind, and I think that car was just trying to rush into traffic and then didn't realize that the ground is really slippery and all, and it slipped and went to another car. The car in front's gone. Just one car there staying. I don't know, but yeah, don't drive, and yeah, it's dangerous during rainy days. Yeah, and also I'm careful. I'm here. I'm parking right now. I'm parked right now. I'm parked right now. I seriously forgotten how to vlog. I forgot how to speak English well. But yeah. Okay, gotta go now. Okay, sadly my day just ended. It's really getting dark, and it's halfway. It's nearly winter right now. It's like spring, and it's rainy, and it's gloomy and all. And yeah, I got up late for my birthday. Staying in bed the whole morning, and right now it's near the end of the day. Like there's nothing. I haven't done anything much today, but either way, still fine. Rainy. I'm here in your parking lot. Yeah. Also, we didn't have much preparation today. We just had a bit of food, like what was that? Talong and ground pork. I just made like a patty, like a burger patty or something like that. My recipe, which is my recipe. Anyway, I need to do something. I want to go to the mountains, but it's getting really dark right now. It's around 5, and it's really foggy. Should have gone there early in the morning today, but I'll see if I can go tomorrow. I have a lot of things to do. Yeah. And the thing with vlogging and you don't see anything in the screen is that I realized this glasses here doesn't have any reflective coating thingy majiggy. I just got this cheap, and it's giving bad reflections to my face. I mean, to my eyes. I should have removed it. Now my eyes are so bad. I'm turning old. Yeah, I just turned 40 something. So yeah, I'm proud of it though. I'm old, but I look young. So yeah, I'm okay with it. I'm fine with it. Yeah, I tend to trick people that I'm a bit younger than I look. I mean, I'm a bit younger than I. So yeah, I kind of trick people. They're thinking I'm a bit younger, but I'm older now. I'm 40 plus. I look younger than some old people. That feels good. That's your birthday gift for me. Yeah, enough blabbering. I try not to blabber. Yeah, really rainy today. Yeah, it's really crappy, bad, rainy today. The elephants, like elephants. I don't know. Coles, not sponsored. We're at Aldi. Gonna get some stuffs here. Yeah, fresh bread and orange juice, cause why not? I really love my red car. It's so dark and gloomy today. So I'm just gonna put stuff in the car now. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Just to record anything, I'm trying to get up this mountain and it's so dark and it's so rainy. Yep. It's pretty much so foggy and yeah, dark. Now everything's gone right now. It's like so freaking foggy. Kind of scared. Nah, not really. Kind of cold looking. Dark in here. Is trying to film and it's really, really dark. Look at those trees, right? So, yep. Can't see anything at the moment. So, yeah. This is fog. I need to go home now. Look at those trees there. Yeah, I need to go home now. It's really so foggy and dark right now. Okay, it's pretty damn gloomy up here, and yeah, you can see it's so dark. So I might just end the vlog here. So I'm really not sure if you can see myself right now, but yeah, it's too gloomy and dark right now. See you tomorrow, same time.